Hurricane is stages of development. So hurricanes go through a sets of stages from birth to death. Initially, a tropical disturbance shows up as a mass of thunderstorm with only slight wind circulation. The tropical disturbance becomes a tropical depression when the wind increases to between 20 to 34 knot, 23 to 39 miles per hour, and the several closed isobars appear about its center on a surface weather map. When the isobars are packed together and the winds are between 35 to 63 knots, the tropical depression becomes tropical storm. So if the sustained wind reach out 64 knot, the tropical storm is then classified as a hurricane. So tropical storm or hurricane will normally keep its name even after it weakens back to the tropical depression. If it moves to higher latitude and begin to take on characteristics of a mid-latitude cyclone, it may be classified as a post-tropical cyclone. Sometimes a cyclone storm over the ocean will have characteristics of both tropical and mid-latitude cyclone as it develops. If so, it would be classified as subtropical storm and given a name as if it were a tropical storm. So in briefly from here we have learned the hurricane are tropical storm comprised of a organized mass of thunderstorm. Hurricane have sustained wind about a central core, we call it I, that reach at least 64 knot, 74 mile, with a considerable higher gust. The strongest wind and the heaviest rainfall normally occur in the eye wall, a ring of intense thunderstorm that surrounded the eye. The hurricane form over warm tropical water where light surface wind converges, the humidity is high in deep layer, and the wind aloft are weak. For a mass of thunderstorm to organize into a hurricane, there must be some mechanism that trigger the formation, such as converging surface wind along the ITCZ, a pre-existing atmospheric disturbance, such as weak front from the mid-latitude or tropical wave. Hurricanes derive their energy from warm tropical ocean and by evaporating water from the ocean surface. Heat energy is converted to wind energy when the water vapor condenses and latent heat is released inside deep convective cloud. When hurricanes lose their source of warm water, either by moving over colder water or over the large landmass, they dissipate rapidly. The three primary stages in a developing hurricane are the tropical depression, then it is formed tropical storm, and then hurricane or tropical cyclone.